Do you want to sign up for Proton Mail anonymously? But in this video, I'll show you how. The first thing you need to do is go to proton.me and then you tap on it. And next thing you need to do is sign to create a free account. Now they will ask you to go install it, but I don't want to install it. So we should be able to sign in from here. Just tap on sign in at the bottom. And an account. Good. Now when we get here, next thing you're going to do, you can now tap on create account here. So this is the free version. Create a new account. Want to use the free version. So we still want to use Happy Life. So this Happy Life at proton.me. You can use at protonmail.com. Let me say I want to use at protonmail.com. Well, we're not allowed for space. The space isn't allowed. So Happy Life. Good. They said you need to use, so let's say Happy Life for me. Okay, then your username already used. So let's say Happy Life for me, 1, 2, whatever. So now go to password. We create a strong password. You can ask them to use a password for you. Let's say I use this one. Then to confirm the password, so I copy it and I paste it here, for example. They say the password does not match. How is that possible? Let's find out. It's exactly the same thing. Okay, I see what's wrong. It's dots. I didn't copy a dot, so that's it. So next. Just tap on start using Proton Mail. Let's see. We must put a credit card. It's PayPal. You can use PayPal. Let me see. Did I choose a free plan? Oh, I didn't. That's why. So choose a free plan first, please. So once you choose a free plan, those options will disappear. As you can see, they have disappeared. So now start using Proton Mail. No thanks. Now you're going to do verification to verify that you're human. You can use captcha or you can use email. Let's say I want to use captcha because don't forget we're trying to be anonymous. Tap on next. So the next, thank you for choosing Proton Mail. We've created the account, preparing your recovery kit. Now your recovery kit lets you restore your Proton account if you are locked out. It's the only way to recover everything stored. So if you need to store it securely, you can start to download it here. Or you can copy the recovery phrase as a text by tapping here. To want to tap on I understand, tap on continue. Then set your display name. Let's say I only want my display name to be Happy Life for me. And then I tap on continue. And that's it. You have gotten an anonymous email. So you are there. Now there are some things you need to know about Proton Mail. You see, when you're signing up for Proton Mail, before you actually do this whole steps, there are some preparation steps you need to take. You see, before even going to Proton Mail website, you need to obscure your digital footprint. How? Your IP address is like your digital home address, and Proton Mail records it at sign up. So you have to use a VPN. Connect to a reliable paid VPN service known for a strict no logs policy. Choose a server in a country you have no connection to. This is your first layer of anonymity. Then use a secure browser. Open a private or incognito window in your browser. Or better yet, you can use the TOR browser. This prevents data leaks from a regular browser profile. And then after the sign up process, like I said, after choosing your email, you created a strong password. You skip phone verification if you are prompted. You can see we did not link our phone. There was no record, and then do not add a recovery phone number or email. So it's not mandatory, so do not do it. That helps you the anonymity. Then use the captcha, like I said, instead of the email. Then after creating the account, you should know that these are some. I'm going to give you some advanced anonymity options that are recommended, but they are optional, but they're recommended for you. For maximum anonymity, consider a paid plan. Free accounts are great, but paid accounts offer more features and crucially more privacy. And when you're paying, pay anonymously by using cryptocurrency like Bitcoin to pay for your subscription. This severs the financial link a credit card or PayPal will create between you and your account. Then use a disposable email only if you want to use a recovery email to recover your account. Consider using another secure disposable email service only for the initial setup, but remember this creates a weak link. So to recap, always use a VPN or TOR. Never use personal information in your username. Avoid recovery options and consider paying with crypto. Your anonymity is only as strong as your weakest link. Stay secured. Hope you found this video helpful.